Welcome. Today let's learn the craft. Today we are going to show you the components of robotics. The first component of robotics is 1.5 volts battery.
9 volts battery.
9 volts batteries overhead.
Jumping wire.
Resistance.
DC motor.
A capacitor. A capacitor has anode and cathode. The capacitor big one is anode and small one is cathode.
Capacitor.
Tactiles and potentiometer.
Buzzer.
Multimeter.
Diode. Breadboard.
We have 5 types of LED. The first type of LED is yellow and red. These are 1.5 volts battery. And second type of battery is green and blue. These are 2 volts. White is 2.5 volts battery. LED. And LED's full name is light emitting diode. LIGHT, light. EMMITTING, emitting. DIODE, diode. And some lights you can't see. You should check all the lights from mobile camera, because mobile camera can see it. Some lights will be alpha. I has this color light which is alpha. Thank you for watching this video.